Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, turn on those notification bells for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So recently I took a trip to California, and while I was in California, I did have a specific purchase in mind. I did really want a specific Prada bag, however when I was there, I had a really hard time finding it. I really wanted to make a purchase just to really add to my California experience. However, when I finally tracked down my bag, it was at Beverly Hills and Saks Fifth Avenue, and sadly enough, it did have a scratch on the hardware. Prada did offer to fly one in from San Francisco to the store so I could get it. However, I would have been gone out of California at that time, so I did go ahead and I ordered it myself online, and it actually came in the mail yesterday, which I was so surprised because I was laying in bed and then I did get a notification saying that somebody was at my door. So little did I know that it turned out to be my Prada bag, and I was so excited because I didn't think that it would come, especially so late at night, so I thought that I would have to wait till the next day. But I have still yet to open my bag, and let's get right into it. But I did go ahead and I did put a piece of paper on it just so I didn't have to blur out my address. But I did think it was super cute how the tape on here, it does say P stores on it, hence for Prada. So I did think that was a very cute touch. Ugh, I'm finally opening it. I've been waiting for this for like weeks now, and I'm just like, yes, finally. If I can get it open. Ugh, it's so cute already. I can already tell. I'm just like, ugh, I can't. I've been waiting to open this for so long, and I'm just like, so cool. So finally we see the box, and already I can say that this packaging is so cute. I'm so excited, and I'm just like, oh my god, I can already tell that this is going to be absolutely everything, especially for summer. I'm like, I cannot. So let's go ahead and take out the box. In it, we do have tissue paper, which my cat absolutely loves, so she's going to have such a great time with that. We have the Prada envelope, so let's see what's in that. Really just the return label. Yeah, just the return label and return instructions. This is the first online purchase that I have made with Prada. I do own a couple things, but I got it all like in person at the boutique. So like I said, this box already, I'm like so in love with it. It's totally everything. Usually I'm used to Versace, so the fact that like Prada has like the hardware right here, even on like the straps just for the box, is absolutely everything to me. Really just like, gives you that like oomph and just this like high quality. When I first seen this box, I was a little nervous just because it looked a little small for what I ordered. But then I did compare it to my Prada 2005 re-edition bag, and yeah, it seems about right. Like, it's the same size, so, made me so less worried about, like, the size of the box. I was like, oh my god, did I get, like, a micro bag when I'm supposed to be, like, small? But all is well. Okay, so here she is. Like I said, packaging, so cute. Tissue paper, obsessed with. Ooh, the trickery. I thought she was gonna, like, appear just now, but nope. Like a second closure. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. I already see the pop of color. Okay, so taking it out of the dust bag, you can already see the pop of color. It is so cute, especially because I always wear all black, so I'm just like, already with this shirt, it's absolutely everything. Oh my god, so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Like, I can't. She is absolutely adorable. So taking a closer look at this amazingly cute blue Prada bag, you see that it is absolutely stunning. This one is completely made out of nylon. Even the trim of the bag will be nylon. It does have a Saffiano leather keyring, which does say Prada 2000, and for the hardware of the bag, it will be in silver hardware. And this hardware is so cute because it does have like a blue tint to it, which really adds to the bag and really makes it a moment. For the back of the bag, simple and cute. For the Prada 2000, it does have the fabric strap attached to it. For inside the bag, you can see that it is blue nylon inside. Does have a blue tag that says Prada. The bag does come with a return label, a black envelope with a receipt, authenticity card, and I did write myself a letter welcoming it to the collection. Now, even though this bag did not come with a shopping bag, I threw an old one from an old purchase just to get this amazingly cute shot. And I do have to say that the zipper on this is kind of cheap. It definitely is more of a plastic zipper instead of a metal zipper, so definitely keep that in mind. Okay, so here she is. She is absolutely so cute. Now, this one specifically does retail for $7.75. It used to be $7.25, so the price did go up just a little bit. So if I were you, I would get it before it does go up again. Originally, I was going to get the black one, but the black one is going to be like part of their continuous collection. I even asked the sales associates there. She said that the blue, they used to have a darker version of blue. I really love this light blue color. So before this one gets discontinued, I did decide to get it. They also do make this in pink, and they make two different pink ones. There's a light pink with a matching handle on it, and then there's a lighter pink one with a darker pink handle. I do really want the pink one, but I'm so unsure of like which one I want. Do I want the light one or do I want the darker one? So while I make up my mind on that, this one was the absolute perfect choice. It's best to get it before this specific color gets discontinued, and this is in the color Astral Blue. So absolutely cute. I'm so in love with it. The nylon bags are really good to get because they're so easy to clean. You don't really have to worry about them, especially when it comes to like sun damage and stuff like that. You never have to worry about the sun lightening your leather. I do really want this bag in black as well, but I was talking to the sales associate and she did say that black will be in their continuous collection, so it will be there at the end of the year. That would be absolutely no worry. And I do have the 2005 re-edition in black already. These do have a very small difference. I will say that the 2000 re-edition is about 1 inch bigger than the 2005 re-edition. So when it comes time to like squeeze the last thing I need in my bag, which are usually my like ginormous sunglasses, they never really fit in here comfortably, but this one I will have absolutely no problem fitting my sunglasses in as well. The 2005 also does have a strap attached to it, and I do like it because you are able to put a different chain on it whenever you do feel like. But this one, as much as I do love this one, I feel like just having the fabric strap just really is its own moment, and it is 1 inch bigger, so I do want it just as much. And then when I want to like be a little more like I guess just when I want to like flex a little more, I would pull this one out because it does have like the strap with the little pouch that does come with it. There's so many different things you can do with the 2005. Soon I will do a comparison on the two bags. But for now, this one gets to shine. I'm like dying to throw her over my shoulder. And so cute. One thing I will say is that the 2005 does kind of like fall off your shoulder a lot. So this 2001, because it does have a fabric strap and it is a little thicker, I think that it will probably stay on my shoulder just a little bit more. The strap, I really like the strap. It's a good strap. It's a good bag in general. I'm like, yes. I'm already like so obsessed with this one. I'm like dying to like take it out grocery shopping and like to the gas station because that's like the only places that like I go really. So cute. Compared to my Prada Saffiano leather tote, huge size difference totally. So cute. What like a change for a bag. So cute. I just love that this one is like now part of my collection. And it's gonna look so cute sitting next to the Prada tote. I'm like just so excited for like both of them in general. I'm like so cute. Who would have thought that like Prada was gonna be like the it bag for me? 2020 and like 2021, I've collected so much Prada, and I'm just like, how is this like possible? I have my tote, I have the 2005 re-edition, and this one may not be Prada, but it is still really cute and like new. This is the only like other pop of color that I do have in my like handbag collection. So like these two for my summer bags are just gonna be like absolutely everything. And I'm just like, oh my god, blue and purple. I can't. I live for these colors. So, I think it's going to be like a really cute summer. I will say that this nylon on Prada does feel more nylon-like than comparing it to like the Versace nylon. This one is nylon as well, but this one has more of like a silky feeling to it. Still nylon, but it just feels a little more silky. So, do I recommend this bag to you guys? 100% yes, absolutely. This one is so cute, it's such a collectible, it's perfect for your collection. It does come in a variety of colors, and it does even come in a micro size. So this bag is just so absolutely cute and so perfect. If you love the 2000 shoulder bags and if you love this color, I 100% recommend it for you. This also inspired an outfit that I found at Bloomingdale's. I found this super cute hoodie and sweatpants set, and I just felt like with blue Nikes and then this bag, it would go so perfect. So I did get the sweater and the hoodie and everything. So like, it's gonna be such a cute outfit. I cannot wait to pair these together. And I'm like, wow, like what, like a going grocery store shopping or just like lounging around model off duty vibe. It's just so perfect. I'm like so excited about it. So again, yes, I 100% recommend it. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me your specific thoughts on this bag or anything else from Prada that may be on your mind. Make sure you check out my last video if you haven't already, and have a great day. Au revoir.